Chuck's Taxidermy Tips. Today we're going to show you where to make your cuts for your antlers so that you can have your head mounted. This is one we previously caped on an earlier episode. Your first cut is going to be halfway between the antler burr and the eye orbit at a slight angle back. Always start with a sharp blade, unlike this dull one. Takes a lot less time and effort. There's our first cut. Now our second cut, on the back of the deer skull, or elk skull, or almost any skull, is a little piece of bone tip where some connective tissue indexes to. That's the spot we're going to aim for. It works out roughly 3/8 to a 1/2 inch down from the top of this. We're going to aim for the eye sockets. And there we have it. Now, there's a reason that we cut this like this. The reason is that the master sculptor who designed my mannequins set it up. You cut it like this, bam, it indexes right there perfect. You get a perfect antler set every time. Sometimes you might have to trim it a little bit up or down, but basically you get it. One step, it's set up right to go on there. Anyway, thank you once again for your interest and involvement in Chuck's Tuesday's Taxidermy Tips. Be sure to check out the websites for upcoming gallery and future taxidermy tips.